Welcome to the funeral program site. Custom funeral programs are designed and tailor-made, especially for a loved one. The specific elements incorporated into the printed memorial can include a favorite color, special background of a favorite place, a club they belong to, or their career. It is an extension of their personality and reminiscent of a loved one's memory. This background will be the foundation of your program and accompanies the text and photos you want to include. You can also opt to remove the background of your front cover photo for further customization. The final design is based on your overall specifications and provides a personalized presentation. The funeral program site offers a special service that creates a custom funeral program to your specific needs. You can choose your layout or style for the program, then enter the information yourself or let our designer do the typesetting for you. Get started today and visit our custom funeral programs collection, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.